Nandito tayo ngayon sa city of Forano. This is a 16th century medieval town. This is 45 kilometers away north of Rome. Okay? Now, kung bakit, ano ang mayroon dito, alamin natin maya-maya. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those new, thank you so much, and please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notification. So Bisdak po is here. Come on, let's enjoy. Tara na! So this is the center of the town where of course folks are gathering in the morning, during the evening. So this is the heart of this town, Forano. Press on video. so this is how the folks here in their morning routine. Coffee shops, dog strolling, and you know, sa simbahan, of course, nandyan yung ating mga nagki-care. So, yan yung kanilang beauty salon beside the pharmacy. A very simple life in the heart of this city, the heart of this town. Noong kapanahonan 16th century. So, may isang duke, si Luigi Strozzi, ang pangalan ng duke na yan. Duke Palace ng kapanahonan ng 16th century. Paggawa ng simbahan na yan. It was used as a chapel by the duke, so naging chapel, and of course that is now dedicated to a church, to the Holy Trinity. So sa ngayon, as a town, nandito na yung center. Nagkaroon ng Forano. Puntahan natin ang kahit hindi tayo makapasok sa palace na yan, pero ikutin lang natin. Okay? Come on, let's go! Maganda din ang beautification nila, no? May mga plants outside. Ayan. Still dedicated also to the Blessed Virgin. Ayan, lakarin natin. Punta din eh. Ikutin lang natin yung palace. Ayun. So here it is, tulad nung nagsabi ko kanina. Ayan, Palazzo Strozzi. So ito yung main entrance. Ito ang lakarin natin yung sa likod. So noong unang panahon, mga different mga small houses na nakasurround sa palace na to. So this is Piazza Giordano Bruno as written. So makikita natin sa itaas. You see that? Ginawa yan para makita kung anong oras. Okay? So bali orasan. So it's already past 12. Kasi yung shadow, so kung nasan yung sun, and then mayroon siyang nag-protrude, so mag-develop siya ng shadow, so makita na dyan yung oras. Okay, in fact it is written there, ora visit. Okay, so it's the time now. Okay, so most probably this is the main, actually yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, it's not the main entrance, ito yung main door. Tingnan natin sa malayo. Ayan. For those new to my channel, please hit subscribe button, ring the bell for notification, and to my subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting Bisdak ko. Ito ngayon, nandito tayo sa city of Forano, the jewel of Mount Sorate and the Tiber. So ang pinakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung Duke Palace ng kapanahonan ng 16th century, kung bakit nagkaroon ng city of Forano, city of here. Noong 400 years ago, if we are going to make some recollection of that medieval time, sa harap yung mga buildings na makikita natin, wala yan. So imagine only this church ang makita natin na nakatayo together with ang palace na yan. So nakakatuwa lang isipin yung kapanahunan 400 years ago. Ito na ngayon ang town ng Forano. Maliit lang siya, so 2,600, less than 3,000 inhabitants. Small town, of course, coffee shops, pharmacy, the basic. Okay, nandiyan naman. And ito yung heart of the town, Piazza Vittorio Emanuele. Shout out Alexia D. Thank you so much for the support. Lota Family Vlog. To Almira 7, Dayo Juan, and of course to our Easter Green Apple, the Travelers, to Bitang Beats. Thank you so much guys for all the support. To Myla Henson, thank you. Cheers.